Good afternoon, students. Welcome to math class. Today, I'm continuing the linear equations in one variable, session 2. Okay, in this session, I'm explaining once again how to find the solutions for linear equations, in which the variables on one side and the numbers on the other side. So, variables are only one side. Okay. Now, just recall that what we learned in the previous class. So, one is a linear equation in one variable. So, first thing is equations. Equations, it should contain a equal sign, right? So, equal sign, algebraic expression which contains equal sign, then variable, only one variable whose power is 1. So if it satisfies an algebraic expression satisfying these three conditions, one is equal sign, another one is one variable and its coefficient is 1. So such expressions are called as linear equations in one variable. Okay, so an linear equation in one variable having two parts. One is left hand side and another one is right hand side. Now, how to find the solution for the linear equations? So, in the last class, yesterday's class, we learned how to solve the equation. That means solving the equation is nothing but finding the solution for the variable. So, which having variables on one side. Now, let us take once again the problem, one more problem. I am writing this. Solve 15 by x, 15 by 4. 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. So, this is a linear equation. See, here is a linear equation which is having a one variable and equal sign. Variable power is 1. Therefore, this is called linear equation. Now, its left hand side is 15 by 4 minus 7x is the left hand side and 9 is the right hand side. Now, let us know the solution. One is a transformation method and another one is a cancellation of the unwanted thing. Now, in the first method, so what is here? 15 by 4 minus 7x. So, add plus 15 by 4. So, it goes 9 plus 15 by 4. So, 15 here is, if you add plus, then it won't cancel. So, what you can do is change the sign. So, here also you should adding minus 15 by 4. So, 15 by 4, 15 by 4 get cancelled. Then what is left? Minus 7x is equal to, now taking the LCM, 4 ones are. So, 4 nines are 36 minus 15 by 4. Now, minus 7x equals 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4. Now, here is a minus 7 is there. So, divide by minus 7. Here also whole divided by minus 7. So, minus 7 get cancelled. So, x is equal to 21 by 4 into, here is 1. So, 1 divided by minus 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So, x is equal to, on dividing plus by minus, minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So x value is 3 by 4. This is a one method. Clear? This is one method. Now, second method, transformation method. So, in the transformation method, keep it one thing in your mind, that the variable should be on positive side. Variable should be on positive side. So, what you can do is 15 by 4. Here is shift this one and shift this one. Minus 9 equals 7x. So keeping the variables on one side. Shift the variables on one side and keep the other things on the other side. Now here is the same thing. 15 minus 4 nines are 36 by 4 equals 7x. Then 15 minus 36 is minus 1, 2 by 4. Shift this 7 to this side, into 7 equals x. Now 7 ones are 7 threes are. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Clear? So here is a one method and here is the second method. Which one you are comfortable, you can use that method to find the solution for the variable. Clear this? Now, another, I will take one more problem. Clear this? Now, checking of this, whether the given one is the solution of this one. So here is x is equal to minus 3 by 4. So how to check whether the answer is correct or wrong? For that, you just substitute the value in the problem, that is 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Okay, now on substituting the value, 15 by 4 minus 7 of minus 3 by 4 equals 9. Now 15 minus into minus plus 7 3s are 21 by 4 equals 9. Now this is 36 by 4 equals 9. 4 ones are 4 nines are 9 is equal to 9. So the solution x is equal to minus 3 by 4 is the correct one. Clear? So this is a verification of your solution, whether your solution is right or wrong. Clear? Now let us continue with the exercise, the simple one. X minus 2 is equal to 7. So here, first method, x minus 2, here minus 2, you cancel that, plus 2, so 7, you added plus 2, so here also plus 2. So this cancel, x is equal to 7 plus 2 is 9. Now the second method, x is equal to 7, and transferring minus 2 to this side. So let us take here also, x minus 2 is equal to 7. Shift this one, it becomes plus 2. So x is equal to 9. Now verification. Verification. X minus 2 is equal to 7. So x value is 9 minus 2 equals 7. 7 is equal to 7. Clear? So this is your exercise problem first. So I showed in both the methods. So I am solving only one method, that is a transformation method, because in higher classes we are not using this. So I am going to this method. Okay. Now what you can do is at home you do the problem whatever I am doing by transformation method. In this method also we should do that. Yeah. Now the second problem is y plus 3 equals 10. Y plus 3 equals 10. Y plus 3 equals 10. Now transformation method, y is equal to, we should shift this one to this side. So 10 minus 3. So y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. Then verification, y plus 3 equals 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10. So this is the second one. Now the third one. 6 is equal to z plus 2. Now shift this 2 to this side. So 6 minus 2 equals z. Therefore z is equal to 4. Clear this? The second, this is the third problem. This is the third problem. Now the next thing is what? You have to verify for each one, each problem. Now fourth problem. Fourth problem, 3 by 7. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Now transformation method, shift this to this side. So x is equal to 17 by 7 minus, on shifting this it becomes minus 3 by 7. Then x is equal to, now 7 is the LCM, so direct you can subtract. So x is equal to 17 minus 3 is 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Therefore x is equal to 2. This is the fourth one. Now fifth one. Fifth one, 6x. 6x is equal to 12. 6x is equal to 12. Then x is equal to 12 by 6. So shifting a numerator to denominator. So x is equal to 6 ones are 6 twos are. X is equal to 2. Right. This is the fifth problem. Now sixth problem, t by 5. T by 5 equals 10. Look at that. T by 5 equals 10. Then here this denominator goes to numerator. T is equal to 10 into 5. So T is equal to 50. 10 5 is 50. Following. Now the seventh problem. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now first thing is, shift this denominator to this side. So denominator goes to numerator. So 2x is equal to 18 into 3. So it goes to numerator. then this 2 goes to denominator, so it becomes x is equal to 18 into 3 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So x is equal to 9 threes are 27. Clear this? Look at that. Here the coefficient of x. Remember, in solving this problem, transformation problem, the coefficient of the variable, that you should shift to that side. Remember, always the coefficient. If the coefficient in the numerator, then it goes to denominator, or if it is in the denominator, it goes to numerator with the into sign. That means you should multiply that. Right. Now, another one is 1.6 is equal to 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. Now we want y value, so shift this to this side. So 1.6 into 1.5 equals y. Now here is the decimal, 16 into 15. So multiply that. 16 into 15. 6 5 is 30, 3, 5 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8, 16 1 is 16, 0, 14, 1. After decimal point, 2 digits are there. So y value is 2.40. So this is the 8th one. Now 9th one is 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. First thing is transfer this 9. First transfer 9. So here, are you understood this? Shifting of the decimal numbers. Now here, first shift 9 to this side. So it becomes 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. And shifting minus 9 becomes plus 9. Then 7x is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. Then x is equal to 25 by 7. X is equal to 25 by 7. So this is one method of finding a solution. Now 3 more problems are there. So try that 10, 11th and 12 by yourself. 10, 11, 12 by yourself. Okay. Now next is application of this one. I will take that in the next one. Now the second concept, solving equations having the variable on both sides. Solving the equations having the variables on both sides. In the previous one, the variables are only one side. Now here what we have to consider, that means first we should keep the variables on one side. That means shift the variables on one side. Keep it one thing in your mind. The variable should be positive. Variable should be positive. So you should transfer the unwanted things. That means the terms which do not contain the variable. Terms do not contain the variable. Shift that to right hand side and variables on left hand side. And keep it that the variable should be positive. Always the positive. Now I am solving one problem. Just look at this. Solve minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So this is the problem. Now look at this. Here is variable, here is variable. So the equation having only one variable with the linear power. See here, power of the variable is 1. Now look at this equal sign, and the variables are both the sides. See, variables having the variable on both sides. So what the first thing is, shift the variables on left hand side and the terms which do not having variables on other side. So first thing is, shift this x to this side. Why we should not shift this 2x to that side? Because in this x and x, here how many x are there? 2x. Here 1x. So 2x is greater and it has positive sign. So shift the least number to other side. So what you can change is 2x plus 1x comes this side, minus 1x equals, here is plus 2, you are shifting 3 to this side. So minus 3 becomes plus 3. And this also one important thing is, when you are shifting one term to other side, one term from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, it changes its sign. Now 2x minus 1x is 1x equals 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the solution. This is the one simple one in which you have variables on both sides. Now let us take one more example. Clear this. Now question number 2. What the question is, 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. Now here first mark the variables. Here is 5x, here is 3 by 2x. So shift this to this side. So 5x minus 3 by 2x is equal to minus 14. It is here. This plus 7 by 2 shifted to left hand side, right hand side, it becomes minus 7 by 2. Now observe this. Observe this. Here 5x, here only I shifted this 3 by 2x to this side. So it becomes minus 3 by 2x equals minus 14 minus 7 by 2. So note down the changes. Note down the changes and keep that in your mind. Now here nothing is 1. We can't subtract this 3x from 5x because this is 3 by 2x. So take the LCM. 2 and 1 LCM is 2. You have taken the product. Therefore cross multiply this. 5 into 2 is 10x. Here is sign minus 2 divides to 1 times 1 3 is a 3x. Clear? Now equals, again here also 1 and 2 LCM is 2, and here 14 2s are 28 minus 28 minus 7. So you solved so many problems in the first chapter, rational numbers, how to take the LCM and all. Now look at this. X, how many x are there? 10x are there. Here is 10x, here is 3x. Now on subtracting, you will get 7x by 2 equals, here both are minus sign. Remember, the terms or the numbers with the same sign, you should add up. So 28 minus 7 is minus 35 by 2. Now we want only x. So we don't want this 7 by 2. So x is equal to, this 2 goes to numerator and this 7 comes to denominator. So it becomes minus 35 into 2 whole divided by 7. Here is 1, 2 is there. 2 into 7. So 2 get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 5s are. So x is equal to minus 5 is the solution. Understood? So this is a what? The problem with the variable on both sides. Clear this? So I will solve one more problem. Or I will solve the same problem once again. You just see this. Five x plus 7 by 2. 7 by 2 equals 3x. 3 by 2 x. 3 by 2 x minus 14. So this is the problem I am solving once again. Now first is shift this variable to this side and this to this side. Take the pencil and mark how to, or which term you are shifting from which side to which side. You just mark it. Now here remember the sign. Okay. Now 5x. Now when you shift this to this side, it becomes minus 3 by 2 x. Minus 3 by 2 x equals minus 14. So this plus 7 by 2 becomes minus 7 by 2. So this is the first step. Second step, take the LCM on both sides. So both side LCM is 2. Both side LCM is 2. 1 divides 2 2 times. 2 into 5 is 10x. 2 divides 2 1 times. 1 3 is a 3x equals. Again here 2 is the LCM. 1 divides 2 2 times. 2 7 14s are 28 minus 2 divides 2 1 times. 1 7s are 7. Now here 3x minus 10x. Here x is 10, here x is 3. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So 10x is more than 3x. So subtract this, you will get 7x by 2 equals 28 minus 7 is minus 35 by 2. Here 7 by 2x, you can write this as 7 by 2 into x. Okay, 7 by 2 x, like that. Now here continuing. Now keep the x. So this 2 goes to numerator and this 7 comes to denominator. Now x equals minus 35 by 2 into 2 by 7. This 7 by 2 on shifting right hand side, it becomes its reciprocal. Now 2 ones are 2 ones are, 7 ones are 7 5s are. Therefore x is equal to minus 5. In the denominator nothing is there. Nothing means it is 1. Denominator is 1. Clear? So this is solving the linear equations in which the variables are both sides. Now I'm taking one more. Your exercise 2.3. 2.3, one exercise I'm solving. Just look at this. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. So this is one more problem. say third problem in this. Now what you can do is shift this z one side, 3 to this side. So it becomes 4z minus 2z equals 6 plus 3 comes this side minus 3. Here plus 2z becomes minus 2z. So this is very, very important. Keep it in your mind. When you are shifting the whole term from one side to other side, its sign changes. Okay. Now here how many z are there? 2z. Here 4z. Here 4 positive, 2 negative. So we should subtract plus minus. Unlike signs. Don't multiply the sign. Unlike signs. So this is 2z equals 3. Then z equals 3 by 2. This is a simple solution. Understood? Now, I'm taking one more with a different problem. X equals 4 by 5. X equals 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Look at this. This is a different problem. This is the fourth problem. Right. Now, first thing is what? You can't multiply this. So again you will get the fraction form. Instead of that, shift this 5 to this side. Okay, it becomes 5x is equal to 4 into x plus 10. This is the first step. Next step is open this bracket by multiplying x and 10 by 4. So here is 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. Now bracket is open. Next is shift this 4x to this side because 4x is less than 5x. So this becomes 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. Now on subtracting 4 from 5, you will get x. 1x is equal to 40. This is the solution for the linear equation. So this is the way how to solve the linear equation in which the variables on both sides. Variables on both sides. Clear?